Class 3, Chapter 3, Computer, the Keyboard. Some special keys continued. Children, now today we have to do symbol keys. You can see on the keyboard that above the numbers or extra characters, some symbols are written. Like you can see here, above the numbers 1, 2, 3, 4 and so on, some extra symbols are also given. And here also some keys are having two symbols. For writing these symbols on the screen, we have to use Shift key. These are the symbol keys, and for writing these symbols, we have to use Shift key. For example, when we press Shift and 0, a bracket comes on the screen because bracket is present above 0. In the same way, when we press Shift and 3, a hash sign will come on the screen because on 3 number key hash is present. So these are the symbol keys which are used with this Shift keys. Shift keys are present on both the sides of the keyboard, so they are 2 in number, and Shift key always work with the combination of keys, means with other keys. Now next is Windows key. Windows key you can see here. This is Windows key. Window is present on the top of key. If we press this key, a start menu open up on the screen. So window key is used to open the start menu on the screen. Next are navigation keys. Here you can see these are the navigation keys. Home, HM, home, end, PU, page up, PD, page down. Home key is used to bring the cursor on the starting of the document. Like you can see here, if I press home key, it will come to the beginning of the document. End key is used to bring the cursor to the end of the document. You can see here, if I press end, it will come to the end. Page up for scrolling the page upside to move the page upward, and page down to move the page downwards. These are the navigation keys by which the cursor moves directly to that position. Now comes arrow keys. These are the arrow keys. 4 arrow keys are present: up, down, left and right. As the position of the cursor, the key suggests that in which position the cursor will move. For example, if I want to move left, you can see on the screen that my cursor is moving towards left by this left arrow key. By this right arrow key, my cursor will move to the right. Now by this upward arrow key, upward, my cursor will move upward direction, and by down arrow key, my cursor will move downwards. So these are the 4 arrow keys present on the keyboard. Now the last one is caps lock key. It is present one in the keyboard, on the keyboard, caps lock key. By using this key, again if we press caps lock, an indicator will blink here, a green indicator you can see, by which it is show that our caps lock is on, and now we can type our alphabets in capital letters. You can see here, if caps lock is on, then our alphabet will be typed in capital letters. So caps lock key is used for typing in capital letters. That's all for the keyboard. This is all about the keyboard chapter.